Hi everyone, how are you today? Are you getting ready for Easter? I like Easter because I get to decorate Easter eggs and make them all colorful. And here we have some Easter eggs. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little Easter eggs, lovely colors wore. Mother ate the blue one, and then there were 4. 4 little Easter eggs, 2 and 2, you see. Daddy ate the red one, and then there were 3. 3 little Easter eggs before I knew. Sister ate the yellow one, and then there were 2. 2 little Easter eggs. Oh, what fun. Brother ate the purple one, then there was 1. 1 little Easter egg. See me run. I ate the last one, and then there were none. And today we're just going to make a very simple Easter egg to decorate. I'm going to use some leftover glue and just some strips of paper. You can use anything you want to decorate these. So I'm just going to take some glue that I had left over from one of my other crafts, and I'm taking some strips of paper, and I'm just going to put them in a pattern all around my Easter egg. And notice I didn't do any cutting yet, because when I'm done, I'll cut. Let's just put a whole bunch of glue on here. And you can use anything. Those IGA flyers are wonderful because they're so colorful, and you could just cut strips out of those. And so see, I'm just taking strips and making my pattern, but you can do just whatever you want with yours. And just keep putting all kinds of things on your Easter egg. And you don't have to come to the library to get an Easter egg, but if you want to come and get one, you can. So just keep adding all kinds of things to your egg. When you're done and you let it dry, then you can just cut the whole thing out. Mine's a little bit wet, I want to be careful. If you've got some stickers or sequins or glitter glue at home, that would be lovely too. And there we have a very simple Easter egg for Easter. I hope you have fun making Easter eggs, and we'll see you soon. Goodbye.